In this video, I will guide you how you can add MARQUEE effect in your Shopify. So first of all, what you need to do is to simply click on the three dots and make sure to duplicate or make a copy of your current theme. Make sure to do this because sometimes some kind of error or glitches can happen. So you need to make sure to have a backup or copy of your theme. Then click on the three dots and click on the edit code. Now this will take you to the particular code section where you can edit your theme files. Now what you need to do is to simply click on this section and click on add new section. You just need to name it MARQUEE just like this and click on the done button. Now once you have named this file, you need to now paste a particular code which is in the link in the description below with the name MARQUEE. And I have also add the code if you want the header to be top of your website. You need to then copy and paste it in your theme.liquid. I will also show you how you can do this, but for now simply copy the MARQUEE code. Make sure to copy all of this and then you just need to go back and paste it just like so. Click on the save button, and now if I click on the three dots and click on the customize theme, and now if I go for the add section, I will have a new section which is named MARQUEE. So if I click on this will gonna add it on the bottom of our page with this particular text which is welcome to store. Now as I said, if you want to add this on the top of your header, what you need to do is to simply go back and you need to click on the layout, click on theme.liquid, click anywhere in the code and press Ctrl+F, and then you just need to type body. This is what we need to search for. Once you have searched this, you just need to make sure to paste this particular code in the Google Docs. After copying, you just need to paste it right below the body tag just like this. Click on the save on the top right corner, and now if I go back to my store, right now it is on the bottom of our screen, but if I refresh this, as you can see, the MARQUEE effect has added successfully. Now in order to add the text, you just need to click on the add text and then you can name it, add whatever text you want to go with. If you want to add further more text, you just need to make sure to add this, and then you need to add like sale or whatever you want to add. Otherwise, if I go back and click on the save on the top right corner, this is how it will gonna look like. Again, you can change the color according to your store color scheme. So yeah, that's the way of how you can add MARQUEE effect into your Shopify store.